This segment is sponsored by Bamboo Giant.
Did you know you can have beautiful bamboo just like this in your backyard? We're with Brian from Bamboo Giant. And Brian, how quickly could you have someone up and running?
We can have a crew come out and put up an 18 to 20 foot hedge practically overnight.
And how does somebody get started with a project like that?
Well, one of the best things I recommend is that they actually give us a call. We can set up an appointment for us to come out for a consultation just to see what you have and what you possibly need.
Now, some people are concerned that bamboo could spread. How do you contain it?
We have a great system where we use a polyethylene plastic that we install 27 inches into the ground. We plant within that, and that contains all the bamboo rhizome.
Now, this is a beautiful nursery. If people come down here, what are they going to find?
Well, they're going to find wonderful, large, mature stands of bamboo. There's a koi pond, plenty of walking trails, and a knowledgeable staff.
Thanks, Brian. Some great information. If you want to see what bamboo can look like in your yard, come see the professionals at Bamboo Giant or go to their website, bamboogiant.com.